28-year-old hotel worker Jasmine Batara is a frequent traveler. She is flying to Phuket, one of Thailand's popular tourist destinations. Her brother is tagging along. It took them half a year to get everything ready, from choosing the places to visit, where to eat, and these should of course fit the budget.
Yung amount ng ticket, yeah, of course, you have to plan ahead.
Usually kasi promo flights ang inaabangan namin eh. Kaya siguro mga 6 months ahead, nagbo-book na kami.
They even wanted to see other places in the region, such as Myanmar. But there are no direct flights, which made them reconsider the trip. But they will soon have more options on the table. Besides these common destinations in Asia and the Middle East, soon there will be more places to visit, this time in Southeast Asia, after President Aquino signed the ASEAN Multilateral Agreement in Air Services. This will allow Philippine air carriers to fly to major cities in Southeast Asia without connecting flights and extended layovers. Now, just think of going to Myanmar without stopping over Singapore or flying to Chiang Mai without going through Bangkok. For the budget-conscious passenger, this would mean more savings and faster travel as there will be fewer check-in counters, security gates, and immigration counters during extended layovers to deal with. The tourism sector is also looking forward to establishing more markets under the air service deal.
The ASEAN single market, aviation market, will just bring and boost the tourism industry even more, making fares much more competitive, allowing flights direct from ASEAN cities into the Philippines.
Rosana Forres of the private sector-led Tourism Congress says the scheme will also open non-stop flights to gateways in the country other than the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, among them Davao, Zamboanga, and Cagayan de Oro. The Tourism Congress is seeing around 200,000 additional visitors coming in by 2017.
600 million is a lot of people, right? And since 50% of that is a Muslim population, it again opens opportunities for the less risk-averse tourist travelers, right, to our destinations in Mindanao.
But this would also mean government should fix current problems such as congestion in airports and lack of infrastructure.
Everyone's crowded here eh. I don't think everything's okay pa dito. I think they have to improve more on the system.
Jasmine and Arman are hoping the ASEAN air service deal would improve their travel experience, with more options soon within their reach in Southeast Asia. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.